This is a 2022 BMW K1600 B. This is BMW's hot rod bagger. She packs a inline 6-cylinder engine, pumping out 160 horse, 132 foot-pounds of torque, mated to a 6-speed quick-shift transmission. This bike is set up to go cross-country or a boulevard bike in town, or going out and ripping the Twisties. And one thing for sure, your buddies will only be seeing your taillights. This is one quick bagger. Now the color of this bagger is Manhattan Metallic Matte. Basically what that means is it's a matte finish that is metallic at the same time. It's really a cool looking color. Now this 1600B has 4,150 original miles. Now by the time you come to look at it, it may have a few more, because I'm having just a blast riding this awesome bike. Now, being a BMW, of course, it is loaded with standard equipment. It has the quick shift, which basically means you can shift up and down through the gears without having to use the clutch. Of course, it has ABS brakes, cruise control, security system. It has a system called ESA, which stands for Electronic Suspension Adjustment. What that does, whether you're riding by yourself or with you and your gear, or your passenger and all your gear, the bike will automatically adjust the suspension to level itself. And then when you switch into the different driving modes, which are rain, road, and dynamic, it also adjusts the suspension for that riding. It has an electric windshield, so you can find just the exact sweet spot. And then when you turn the bike off, it lowers itself. Start the bike, it goes back to its last position. It has a dynamic headlight, and what that does is it adjusts to the cornering to give you a little more visibility. It has the LED driving lights. Adjustable levers. Now, BMW risers have been added to this bike, so it brings the bars up 2 inches and back approximately 2 inches to give you a more upright riding position. Also, the Wunderlich or Wunderlich Passenger Back Rest has been added, and also their luggage rack. So you could put a tea bag on the back of this and carry a lot of gear. And the great thing is Freedom 4.5-inch black exhaust have been added to this bike. So now you can actually hear it run going down the road. It sounds like a Ferrari. Nice big LED lights in the back. Now for 22, they changed the dashboard on it. Instead of the round gauges, they put this big 10.5-inch screen that has all the information you'll ever need. It also has a system called BMW Motorrad Connect. And what that does is you can Bluetooth your phone into this bike, and it will transmit your navigation, your maps, so you can map it out on your phone, connect it to the bike and it'll show up on the information screen. Now it has heated grips, separate controls for the heated rider seat, separate controls for the passenger's heated seat. This bike is just loaded up. It's just a fantastic motorcycle. If you've never ridden one of these, you really need to throw a leg over one. They ride great, they handle incredible, they're very, very fast. Couple other great features I forgot to mention. It has what's called Hill Start Assist. So you pull up to a steep hill, it's always been a challenge to hold the brake, feather the clutch, give it the gas, and get going again. Well, you can set the brake when you pull up, and it'll hold the bike. So you can put your feet down, let go of the clutch levers, or the brake levers, and take off when you need to. It also has reverse. So if you get kind of parked on an incline or in the gravel and your footing's not real sure, this will help you get the bike backed up. Now for information on how to put this awesome BMW K1600 B in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.